Greetings! Today it's going to be another adventure on my forge. We're going to make a rustic spoon out of some rebar that we had lying around. Should be a good time. Let's see what happens. Alright, we start this just like we do a leaf pendant, about an inch overhang. We need a pretty big hammer. Right now I'm only using a 3-pounder, but you get the idea. This is going to be a lot of hammer work because all I have is a 1/2 inch thing. So anyway, we're going to throw that back in the fire. Now, I'm probably just going to whiz through this because you've seen me hammer round bar before when I do the leaf pendant. So we'll throw that in there. We'll get that straightened out, and then when I start forming the head, I'll slow things down a little bit. There we go, simple. We're going to put a little angle at the tip here to make the spoon more rounded when we flatten it out. There we go. I think next heat we'll start flattening it. Unfortunately, it's as good as I'm going to get it, probably. So, next step, we're going to draw this handle out a little bit longer. I want it to be about from here to here, and I want it to be thin enough to use. Let's give her a cut. Alright, we're going to cut that up to a softer anvil with a plate under it to protect it, and when that's cut off, we'll come back and I'll show you how to, well, I'm just going to draw out the handle, so it's nothing special, but we'll do that and have some fun. That's way too long. We'll give it another cut. Good news. Handle's just about done. I think what I'm going to do is give this a little bit of a twist. Just because I can. Though I suppose just because I can doesn't mean I should, huh? Nah, I still need some cleaning up. Alright, we're going to grab this little machinist hammer. We're just going to taper this down. Nothing crazy. We just want it nice and smoothed out. Nice, smooth, gentle taper. I found that makes the best curl. Whoop. Didn't hit that very well. I'm gonna need another heat. Alright, this ought to do the trick. Hammer those out. There we go. Get you down here. Get a little bit of a curl happening, or a little bit of warp. There we go. The steel stays soft forever. I gotta be really careful not to hit it too hard when I have it thin down like this. There we go. See? There we go. Nice little point to it. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna hit it over here when I get it warmed up again. And it's gonna curl over. Here we go. More of a brush than it is a hammer stroke. And then we're just going to flatten it. And next heat, I'm just going to hit towards me, and that should roll it right over. Oh, we got a little bit too hot. Hit the bottom part. It's not quite how I want it to look. Maybe I can fix it right here. There we go. That's much better. Come on around, bud. Come on, right around. There we go. See that? Maybe. Yeah. That's kind of nice. Give it a little twist. Grab this here. Grab this here. And then we're going to do a nice full twist. Well, it's not quite warm enough. And there's that. Take this all the way around. Let's brush that off, get a little bit better of a look. Oh, I kind of like that. One more quarter twist and we're good to go. Let's just finish her up, huh? I didn't put them in the right spot, but hey, almost there. A little more heat and we're good to go. There we go. What do I have here? And, oh. Alright, I think that's good to go. Now we don't want to ruin the work. I'll use a wooden mallet to straighten everything out. Yep. There we go. Not too shabby. We'll clean this up with, well, we'll use files and whatnot, clean it up, but now we got to work on the bowl. And I'll show you how to do that here in a second. Alright, here's what we're going to do. I'm going to use this stump to hammer out the bowl with a ball peen. Theoretically, it's going to make a bowl in it. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I don't want to get it too hot, but it has to be just hot enough. So we'll hammer it out. Not hard strokes, but nice and light. And as I hammer it, it burns I can't remember the correct name, but it burns the bowl shape out in the wood. So it makes a pretty nice jig. Here we go. We just want to make it nice and bowl shaped. That's getting there. So that works a treat. Not too hot. There we go. And if you keep hitting it nice and light taps, the ball peen marks aren't quite so bad. See? Looks like a spoon. Alright. We're going to let that cool down and then I'm going to clean it up. I think. Yeah. We'll let it cool down. I'll clean it up and I'll be back. Alright, there we go. Cleaned her all up. And, well, it's not all cleaned up. What I'm going to do, I'm going to have to take some sandpaper and then rub out that bowl really nice because I don't want to have all that stuff in there. And we'll clean that up and should be ready to rock and roll. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a great day and go out and make something.